Imagine investing your hard-earned money in what you thought was a reliable truck, only to watch its value plummet faster than a stone dropped from a skyscraper. That nightmare became reality for thousands of truck owners this past year. Today, we're counting down the 10 trucks that took the biggest financial nosedive between 2024 and 2025. If you own one of these models, you might want to brace yourself. Let's break down exactly how much these trucks depreciated and, more importantly, why they crashed so hard. And trust me, some of these reasons will absolutely shock you. Starting our countdown is the 2024 Nissan Frontier. This mid-size pickup experienced an 8.3% drop in value, translating to a financial hit of about $2,500. At first glance, this might not seem catastrophic, but consider this. The Frontier started at a more modest price point of around $30,000. That means owners lost nearly a tenth of their investment in just 1 year. What caused this decline? While the Frontier avoided major recalls, it struggled to stand out in an increasingly competitive mid-sized truck segment. With rivals getting significant updates and technology advancements, the Frontier started looking dated by comparison. Even though it had the smallest percentage drop on our list, that's still real money vanishing from owners' pockets. Coming in at number 9, the 2024 Ford Ranger saw its value tank by 10%, a $3,500 drop from its original $35,000 price tag. This is particularly interesting because the Ranger was redesigned for 2024, typically something that helps maintain value. So what went wrong? The redesign itself might be partly to blame. Early adopters paid premium prices for the new generation, creating an inflated starting point that naturally corrected downward. Additionally, as inventory levels increased throughout the year, dealers had less leverage to maintain high prices on used models. For a truck that was supposed to be Ford's competitive answer in the midsize segment, this depreciation rate raises serious questions about its long-term value proposition. If you're thinking about subscribing, now's the perfect time. We've got amazing content coming up about the future of truck values and which models are actually appreciating right now. Just hit that subscribe button. The GMC Canyon holds the 8th spot with a 10% depreciation rate, matching the Ranger's percentage but with a slightly higher dollar amount, $4,000 off its original $40,000 value. The Canyon, positioned as a premium mid-sized truck, clearly struggled to maintain its upscale price point. Despite its upmarket interior and refined ride, the Canyon couldn't escape the broader market trends affecting its segment. Records show it shared many mechanical components with the next truck on our list, including some of the same potential trouble spots. This mechanical twinning meant that when one model faced issues, both suffered in the resale market. The 2024 Chevrolet Colorado lands at number 7 with a 10.5% decrease in value. That's $4,000 vanishing from its initial $38,000 price tag. Following a complete redesign for 2023, the 2024 model year struggled to maintain its value momentum. Market data suggests the Colorado faced increased competition in the midsize segment, with several competitors offering more features at similar price points. Additionally, as GM's focus shifted toward electric vehicles, traditional models like the Colorado received less marketing attention, potentially dampening their appeal in the used market. For Colorado owners, the steeper-than-average first-year depreciation raises concerns about how the truck will hold value over the long term. Halfway through our countdown, we find the 2024 Ram 1500 with an 11.5% value crash. That's a substantial $5,500 drop from its $48,000 starting price. This is particularly notable because the Ram 1500 had previously been recognized for its strong value retention. What changed? Records point to increased market saturation as production recovered from previous shortages. As more new 1500s became available, used values naturally adjusted downward. Additionally, rumors of an upcoming redesign likely made the 2024 model less desirable to savvy used truck buyers waiting for the next generation. The Ram's premium interior and smooth ride weren't enough to overcome these market forces, resulting in one of the more surprising entries on our list. Breaking into our top 5 is the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with a 12.3% depreciation, translating to a massive $6,500 drop from its original $53,000 price. For a heavy-duty truck designed to handle serious work, this value decline represents a serious blow to owners. The culprit? Multiple significant recalls plagued this model, including issues with power unlatching tailgates, potential steering gear shaft fractures, and most alarmingly, a recall requiring complete transmission replacement in certain units due to incorrect parts. These mechanical concerns severely damaged consumer confidence and tanked resale values. When potential buyers see reports of trucks needing entire transmission replacements, they understandably become hesitant to pay premium prices on the used market. In fourth place, the 2024 Nissan Titan experienced a 13.1% value crash. That's $5,500 disappearing from its $42,000 sticker price. But the Titan story is particularly devastating for owners because of one critical factor. 2024 was announced as the final production year for this model. The discontinuation announcement created immediate downward pressure on resale values as buyers worried about future parts availability and support. Add in recalls related to airbag system problems, and you have a perfect storm for rapid depreciation. For Titan owners, this depreciation isn't just about losing value. It's about owning a truck that's essentially been abandoned by its manufacturer. Breaking into the top three, the 2024 Ford F-250 Super Duty saw its value plummet by 13.8%, an $8,000 drop from its hefty $58,000 original price. For a truck designed for serious work and commanding premium prices, this level of depreciation is nothing short of alarming. The Super Duty was hit with significant recalls, including one affecting the rear-view camera system and a major recall for diesel models related to potential fuel pump failures. When you're paying premium prices for capability and reliability, these kinds of issues can devastate consumer confidence and resale values. For owners who chose the Super Duty for its reputation as a dependable workhorse, this rapid depreciation represents both a financial loss and a betrayal of brand trust. If you're finding this breakdown valuable, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. We've got 2 more trucks to go, and they suffered the worst value crashes of all. In second place, the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD experienced a staggering 14.5% depreciation. That's $8,000, vanishing from its premium $55,000 starting price in just 1 year. For a truck positioned as an upscale heavy-duty option, this value crash is particularly painful. Like its Chevrolet counterpart, the Sierra 2500 HD was plagued by serious mechanical recalls. But the GMC version's higher initial price point meant owners lost even more in raw dollar terms. The most damaging recall concerned the need for complete transmission replacements in certain units due to incorrect parts. When potential buyers learned that some Sierra HD trucks needed entirely new transmissions, their willingness to pay premium prices on the used market evaporates instantly. Taking the unfortunate top spot, the 2024 Ford F-150 experienced a devastating 15.6% crash in value. That's $7,000 erased from its $45,000 starting price. America's best-selling truck becoming America's fastest depreciating truck is more than just ironic. It's a financial disaster for thousands of owners. What went wrong with Ford's flagship? A series of high-profile recalls hit the 2024 F-150, including transmission problems that could cause sudden gear shifting, inadequate windshield adhesion issues, and oil leaks in models with the 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. These problems seriously undermine consumer confidence in what should have been a reliable market leader. The F-150's position at the top of our depreciation list shows that no truck, not even America's perennial bestseller, is immune to the market consequences of quality control issues. Now that you know which trucks crashed in value, you'll also want to avoid models with notoriously bad engines that could cost you thousands in repairs. Check out my video about the 10 used trucks to avoid for bad engines right now by clicking the link in the description. It's the perfect companion to today's countdown and might save you from making an expensive mistake on your next purchase.